In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Zoho CRM. Whether you're a business owner looking to onboard new team members or a team leader aiming to streamline operations by granting system access to your colleagues, understanding this process is essential for effectively managing your CRM environment. First, we need to start by accessing the Zoho CRM platform. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and conducting a search for Zoho CRM. This should bring up the official website at the top of the search results. Click on Zoho CRM to navigate to their main page. Once you're there, look for the Access Zoho CRM button. Clicking this will take you straight into your CRM dashboard, but you'll need to log in with your credentials if you haven't already done so. Now that we're in the dashboard, we need to locate the settings, which typically appear as a gear icon. You can usually find this in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on the settings icon will open a range of administrative options. From this menu, select the users option. This is where you will manage all existing users and add new ones to your CRM system. In the users section, you'll observe a button labeled new user. Click on this to initiate the process of adding a new team member. A form will appear prompting you for several key details about the new user. Start by typing in the full name of the person you wish to add. Next, type in the correct email address. Ensure these details are accurate, as they are crucial for setting up the user's account and sending them notifications. Once their name and email are entered, you will proceed to assign the user a role within Zoho CRM. Click on the role field, which will present you with a drop-down list of various roles to choose from. It's essential to select a role that matches their job responsibilities. For instance, if they will be managing the CRM, you might consider a managerial or administrator role to give them appropriate access levels. Right after selecting the role, choose the appropriate position or department they will be part of. This helps in mapping out the organizational structure within the CRM for better visibility and communication. After all these fields have been correctly filled out, click on Select to finalize your choices. The last step in this process is to hit the Save button. This confirms all of your entries and adds the new user to your CRM. Now, an invitation will be sent to their email address, prompting them to set up their Zoho CRM account. And there you have it. You've successfully added a user to Zoho CRM. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance team collaboration and operational efficiency. Thank you for watching, and we're keen to see you in our next video for more insightful CRM tips.